Nakawigapor, Shakawigapor Pat.
Mynken Christian High Secondary School in Boirambong is taking a significant step towards addressing its urgent need for an auditorium by organizing a food fest cum sale of work yesterday. The event, attended by Swapnil Tembe IAS and other dignitaries, featured handmade items, donated clothing, food stalls and games, drawing support from the entire school community. During the festivities, Tembe also presented football boots and jerseys to the school's Subroto Cup team, recognizing their upcoming participation in the indoor French football tournament in Paris.
When you are in school, give 100% attendance and 100% attention, to your teachers, study well, and beyond study also, play sports, whatever you like, do more reading, get some skill, learn computers, and take this opportunity and learn, maximum use of this opportunity, because you are very lucky to study in this school, this kind of school.
And now the weather report. The minimum temperature was 15